I'm Ilana Goldstein from Brazil. My talk tonight will be divided into three parts. The first part is about gives general information about indigenous people in Brazil in the past and in the present. The second part deals with Brazilian national identity, which is very proud of our cultural mixture. And the third part will give three concrete examples of indigenous people creating interesting artworks today, but with a lot of potential, but they are not being marketed. And I'm looking forward to the debate that will happen after this talk, because I think there are many contact points, but also many differences between the Brazilian indigenous arts and Australian ones. I think that both sides could learn with the other. The talk was very nice. I was happy to see people interested in what I was telling. I think I have some new questions from my research now. For example, to think in a more critical way about the cannibalism metaphor that is a common sense in Brazil, but could maybe seem as a new colonial ideology for some people. But the most important is to realize that there really exist some contact points in the histories of Australia and Brazil. Just to give one example that was mentioned by someone in the audience, that the settlers were all men, and so they established a certain kind of relation with the female indigenous women. And I think we have a lot to learn with Australia's structure of supporting indigenous arts. Maybe the art centers model could be something to be developed in a similar way in Brazil. On the other hand, I think that Australia could be more open to know other realities in other countries and maybe rethink itself with these comparisons and these dialogues. It's a pity that there is so few things written and few people in contact discussing ethnical, artistic or historical questions that could interest both countries, Australia and Brazil. I really hope that this is just at the beginning and that we can go on with this exchange. Thanks for the invitation and for the opportunity. It was really good.